In this guide, you will learn how to reset an iPhone. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. On this page, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. There are two major options here: Reset and Erase all content and settings. When you tap on Reset, you will have some options. Maybe, for example, as you can see, you want to reset all settings. You go with the first option. If you want to reset networks settings, go with the second option. If you want to reset keyboard dictionary, you go with the third option. Home screen layout, you go with the fourth option. And the last option is reset location and privacy. So these options depends on what action you want to take next. Okay, then the second option on the transfer or reset iPhone settings page is erase all content. In this option, you can erase everything that has been changed and then make your phone look like how it was when it was bought. So if you go with the option erase all content, you'll be taken to a new page. On this page, you are shown what will be erased: apps and data, Apple ID, Find My Phone, and wallet. That means everything will return this phone to the factory settings, whereby you can give her the phone or you can reset the phone. So if you want to go with this option, tap on continue and follow the on-screen guide. But here, I don't want to reset my phone. I still need it. So it's as simple as that. And I believe this guide helps. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you some other time.